Everybody wants to become number one. Not everyone can be a king. A few will be successful in their life. People doesn't bother about your happiness. Happiness is made by yourself. People will tell you to do this job, that job, like that. They really don't know which is suitable for you, whether a job or a business. They don't know your strength and weakness. Only you is the person who knows about your strength and weakness and what makes you happy while doing a task. Only a passion-able person can overcome all the obstacles in their business journey. Come up with a product, service, or an idea that doesn't exist, something crazily unique like Amazon, Paytm, Uber. Or come up with an idea that is already in the market but with better value and better quality at a better price. People are the best teachers. The more people you meet, the broader your mind gets. When you interact with people, your horizon is going to widen. You will expand your mind and push the envelope. The more people you meet, the more opportunities there are for you. The more you think, the better ideas you get. The better you can network and play the game in the world. And with all that, your chances of getting rich are higher. To start a business, first select an industry which you are passionate about. Do a market research, observe people, and find a product that could give leverage to you. Go to consumers and listen to them. You will get to know what they want and what they don't want. Talk to people who are selling them as well. Do what suits you, be it a business or a job. You can fail 999 times, but if you get it right just once, boom, you are going to the success. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and comment below.